Okay, I'm sitting out here next to the pool where this sleek garden kneelie pad is a lifesaver for me, and it is a little uniquely different than most in that look at how thick this is. So it's great for all of those things where you need to be on your knees. Like literally a half hour ago, I was cleaning the barbecue. It was so perfect to be able to kneel on this instead of on this concrete, stick my head in there and clean out everything real good. Let me just show you some basic gardening ones and one little hack that we have. All right, let's go do that. All right, let's start with Captain Obvious, weeding, right? Sitting out here, kneeling on this is miserable. Sitting on this is just nice. I mean, I still don't like weeding, but definitely makes the job significantly easier. Want to go do that hack? Let's go do that. All right, so Captain Obvious, this is our hot tub, but what you might not know is it is really deep, which is not an issue for me. I can kind of just step in without any problem, but my wife or any normal sized woman struggles with that, and kneeling on this stuff is not comfortable. So we use this, we just keep it sitting right here, and it's great for them just to sit here, sit on, wheel themselves in, however they want to do it. It's not painful, uncomfortable, or annoying to get in and out of the hot tub, which is really nice and deep. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.